Hello friends, welcome back to Naman Origami World. I am Sanidhya and I am 11 years old. So there is a bird called swallow which has a long tail. So this airplane is inspired by that bird. It is called a swallow paper airplane. So today we will make this one and it flies pretty well. So let's get started. For making this airplane, there are two parts. So one is the tail and the other is the wings. So we'll need an A4 size for this model. So first make this corner come over here like this, and then do it on the opposite side. Now make a crease over here. Then turn over and make a crease over here. I need to turn over and make a water bomb base. You make it like this. Your model looks like this right now. And now you need to make these and this flap come over here. Like this. And now you need to make this edge come over here and this edge come over here like this. Now you need to make a crease over here like this, and then do it on the opposite side. Now you need to make a rabbit's ear fold over here like this, and then on the opposite side like this. Now you need to make this edge come over here like this. And now you need to cut this part. So you can either use scissors or you can cut it by your hands. Now you need to keep this somewhere around your table. You will use it for later use. So now you need to turn over and make this come over here. So your model looks like this right now. Now you need to make a crease like this and then do it on the opposite side like this. Now you need to make a fold over here like this and on the opposite side like this. So now our wings are made. Now let's make the tail. So for the tail, you'll need to make a crease over here. Then you'll need to hold your paper and then cut it a little bit to the half over here like this. And now you need to make this flap and this flap meet the lower flap like this. And now you need to open these up. Now you need to fix this tail on the downside of the plane first you need to flatten the plane and the tail, then slowly push forward the tail into the wings. Now if you want, you can make a little creases over here and over here so that it can curve a little. Now your swallow paper airplane is ready. You can just shape it a little bit if you want so that it would fly better. And now it's complete. You need to make sure while flying that the wings are at a 45-degree angle to the tail. So now you can fly the paper airplane. Hope you like this video. If you face any difficulties making this model, I will soon be uploading step-by-step tutorial sheets. And please like and share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.